Feeling overwhelmed by website traffic jams? Is your app slower than a dial-up connection? Slow websites and apps lead to lost customers and revenue. Performance testing is your fast lane to success. Here's how performance testing benefits your business. Performance testing ensures your website or app loads lightning fast, keeping users engaged and satisfied. A seamless user experience means happier customers who are more likely to stay, explore, and convert. Performance testing helps you catch and fix potential problems before they impact your users, saving time and resources. With a fast and reliable platform, you build trust and credibility among your audience, leading to positive word-of-mouth and brand loyalty. By optimizing performance early on, you avoid costly downtime, lost revenue, and emergency fixes. Don't get stuck in the slow lane. Performance testing helps your website or app outrun the competition.